Hey, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully great. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the Petrol Box, November's box. I'm always behind a few weeks. So right now it's December. It's too cold outside. It's like I think it's like 30 degrees out. So no detailing videos for a little while. Too cold. Um, Maybe I'll do a winter one, detailing video. We'll see. So let's see what we got for November Petrol Box. Let's take a look. So let's see what we got for November. What if we won the golden ticket for some wheels? So you get your thank you. Basically it tells you what you got received in the box. Looks like we got a t-shirt. And then we got some glass cleaner, air freshener. And what we get? Oil spill mat. That'd be cool. That'd be nice to have. And then we got something from the rag company. Window towel. Yeah, those are nice. Always nice to have window towel. Let's open it up. Oh wow, there's the oil mat. Dry mate. Check it out. That's pretty cool. Using the garage. Changing your oil. I usually use cardboard. Or you can add it to your vehicle. That'd be a good idea. Keeping your vehicle made in USA. That's pretty good. Fine right there. And there's our from the rag company window towel. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's always nice to get some of them. And we got our candy. Which one we get? Bottle caps. If Bottle Cap's watching, got some bottle cap candy. One of our subscribers, viewers, always watches. And then we got another candy. We got a lemon. Yeah, some taffy, banana. Not lemon, sorry about that. Banana, that'd be good. Gotta hide that from the kid, he'll steal them. Then we got the Rider of the Month. Here we go. Subscriber of the Month. I'm all messed up today. So we got November Subscriber of the Month. It's pretty cool. We'll have to add that to the fridge, in the garage. And then we got, then we have our window cleaner. Never heard of this place before. Mad Cow. Check it out. Glass cleaner. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool logo. It's got a cow on it. Oh, there's a cow. Probably can use it. I bet you can use it to clean all your windows, like your glass, your mirrors, stuff like that in your house too. Since it's cold out, I might try this on the mirrors in the bathroom. Since it's too cold to do anything. And then we got air freshener. That's pretty cool. Check it out. Looks like, oh, it's a strut. See? Adjustable, maybe. There you go. We got your caster plates. That's pretty cool. Air freshener. And we got a t-shirt. We get, oh man, we got turbo. Let's hack that out. Hang on, let me set this up. Oh, shirt by Paragon. It's not lag, it's foreplay. These shirts too you get from this box, Petrol Box. Man, they're just real good quality. I mean, I have the one from October on right here. It's comfy. I like the color too. It's pretty good. Check it out. I like it. Get some nice product from these guys. Just want to see what we'll get for December month. Hopefully a good one. Let's see. Got the rag company. We got our t-shirt. It's based out of Midwest. Car brand who specializes in vinyl. A design that you love. They do custom vinyl templates. Their site. November month we got the t-shirt from Paragon. We got some Mad Cow glass cleaner. We got that air freshener on a strut, some candy. Got the Rider of the Month sticker. Got a rag company cloth. And we got the Dry Mate oil spill mat. It's pretty cool. I might use that in the car. And so, continue real quick. I got this back in the mail. I ordered this off Amazon. Some stickers for Instagram. Need to get some YouTube ones. And there was been a lot of mix-up with getting the stickers. My first batch never arrived. Here they are. If you see them. Ouzo Garage got 6 of them. So, and what happened is, I never received them. And emailed them. It's, you know, it was kind of hard. Amazon's kind of hard to email back, you know, stuff like that. And the stickers are from the Sticker Boss, and they're out of Lakeside, California. And they have, I'll put their link down below for Amazon. Well, anyway, I never received them, and then I gave a review that I never received them on Amazon. And this company right here, the Sticker Boss, actually went out of their way, and they found me on I believe Instagram and YouTube, one of the videos, and they commented on one of our videos to DM them on Instagram, and so we basically messaged each other back and forth, you know, about the product, and they received it, stuff like that. And what great for a company as these guys, the Sticker Boss, to find me on, you know, social media, and to make it right till I get the stickers. And they sent these out, you know, right away, since I never received the first batch. So who knows, might have been get lost in the mail, who knows, stuff. That's pretty cool that that company went out of their way to find me on social media and made it right. So, and of course, you know, companies like that you have to support. You know, you can't beat that. That's the way to go. That's great on them. So I thank them, Sticker Boss, for you know, fixing that issue with not receiving my first batch of stickers. So I got 6. I'll have to order some more. I'd like to get some YouTube ones. Go in a car, a couple cars. I might mail them out to a couple. Yeah, that was great. I'm moving around a lot, so I figured make this short video. And thanks for watching all the video. I appreciate you guys, all my friends on YouTube. Appreciate it. So you guys have a great one. Later.